Like, subscribe and get notified.
The coming together of 7 departments to do inspection and grant conversion sanads and regularization of structure is a serious challenge which delays the process. Environment Minister Eliksho Sikwera, while hearing grievances at the South Goa Collectorate on Friday, suggested that the Collectorate send the consolidated list of all applications to all departments so that they can see it on their computers. This will expedite the process of granting conversion sanads and regularization, Sikwera said.
And it is said that many a times conversion sanads, the issue of conversion sanads, are delayed because of when it comes to NOCs from various departments like the Forest Department, TCP, so many other departments. So what we thought we will do is that the Collectorate will send a consolidated list of whatever applications are lying with them to the Forest Department or to the Agriculture Department or to the concerned department. And in today's modern world, everything at a glance or on the computer is available. So I've requested the Collectorate first to send this list to the Forest Department, for example, or the Agriculture Department, or the Town and Country Planning Department, because Town and Country Planning, for example, basically has to certify what zone that particular area is. Okay? So that again, I believe, can be done over at a glance on the computer. So this will be sent to the departments, and we'll try and, if required, we'll try and tweak it further. But immediately they will submit a list. We will wait for the response of that list and move on. The spirit behind it is to try and expedite release of grant of conversion, grant of regularization as soon as possible. When it comes to regularization, there is a committee of, I think, some 6-7 departments. And the first challenge is to get all persons from these departments on a particular date at a particular time to go to conduct the inspection. So if we can come out with this solution that I propose, we would be saving time. We would also ensure that the physical presence of that particular department representative is not or his absence is not a hindrance to the inspection.